probably have a heart for veterans.
No doubt.
And there's this great opportunity for people who've had a tough situation, if they've become service disabled. There's a unique opportunity in their veteran benefits, right?
Yes. So basically, in Michigan in particular, some other states have great things that are similar too, but for Michigan, if you're a 100% disabled veteran,
Yeah.
and you have an honorable discharge,
Yeah.
and you're in a primary residence, you can be exempt from paying any real estate taxes at all.
100% exempt from real estate
That's
property
awesome.
taxes.
It's amazing.
It is amazing. So American Dreamer, if you are a vet, or if someone in your family is a vet, there are benefits. One, if you happen to be 100% service disabled veteran and you have an honorable discharge, and we're talking about your primary residence, the home you live in.
And you fill out the right forms.
Well, that's the thing. You really need to be aware of your benefits and work with professionals who understand the system and be able to help you get in touch with everything that should be coming your way. In this case, this is a big thing. I mean,
Yeah.
you could be $5,000 a year for the rest, for the next 20 years. That's $100,000 worth of tax break.
Well, not only that too, but it helps with if you're qualifying for a VA loan, and or you're refinancing, and now you are already exempt. It's been with the state; they understand everything. Now you're excluding that potential $200 a month tax liability. It's now zero.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very nice.
So it helps you with your monthly cash flow. Put you in a situation where you can do something else with that money towards your future or whatever.
Or pay your house down
There you
sooner.
go.
Get that thing paid off in a hurry so that you can be in a paid-for house and a debt-free life and able to retire at a reasonable age.
Yeah, what if you just pretended that $200 wasn't going away and you just added it to your mortgage instead of paying it on your taxes?
Well, I'm for it. I mean, I really believe in getting yourself as debt-free as possible, as quickly as possible, because it just opens up opportunities for you.
Mm-hmm.
But veteran loans in general, besides that particular benefit, the VA loan.
Right.
Listen, I do real estate, American Dream, and I'm telling you, there is no greater loan product out there. For instance, it's a zero down payment.
Right.
I like the sound of zero down payment.
Money.
Yeah, well,
You don't have to bring any money. But
there may be
is-
some closing costs involved, and it doesn't mean necessarily that you're going to not bring any money to the closing
Right.
table, but a
zero
lot less.
down is- Yeah.
No,
awesome.
yeah. I mean, not only that with zero down, but there's no PMI.
Right.
Most loans that you have to put 20% down to have zero mortgage insurance.
Yeah.
So that's another huge savings that veterans get to take advantage of, which is phenomenal.
Mm-hmm.
And
Because that's a private mortgage insurance. That's
Right.
alphabet soup again. That
Sorry.
PM, that's all right. That's what we do. In the industry, we throw them around, but make sure everybody understands. And that, because if typically you have 20% less, if you have less than 20% equity in your mortgage, you end up paying a private insurance, a mortgage insurance, to protect the lender, not you,
Right.
to
Right.
protect the lender. And it's pretty costly.
Correct. I mean, FHA, private mortgage insurance, went up last year again. It's very expensive. So veterans, it's a huge benefit that you have to take advantage of. Some veterans think that they can only use a VA loan once. That's absolutely not the case. You can
Right.
actually have more than one VA loan at a
At a
given
time.
time.
Yeah.
So it just depends. Everybody's situation is unique, and even if you foreclosed on a VA loan in the past, there's still hope.
Yeah.
You know, I work with veterans all the time, help them navigate through the VA website and help them get their certificate of eligibility, and it's a great benefit. But also for disabled veterans, if you're receiving at least 10% disability from the VA, you're also exempt from the upfront mortgage insurance premium or the funding fee that VA charges as well.
See, I didn't know that. Boy,
Yeah.
I'm glad I invited Adam Lesner with Michigan First Mortgage an expert in mortgages, but in particular, having been a Marine and you're a vet yourself, a heart for veterans and their opportunities and benefits attached to being a veteran. And I never knew that. If you have just a 10% disability, service disabled,
Right.
from
Yep.
from being in service, then you can have that funding fee waived entirely.
100%.
Wow.
So that's, I mean, some loans that could be up to over 2% of whatever the loan